This is a Haier S80 series smart TV. Let's see how to factory reset the TV. First, go to Settings. Click on All Settings. Go to System. Go to About. Go to Reset. Select Factory Reset. Select Factory Reset. Select Erase Everything. The Haier Smart TV is now reset. Now you can set up the TV again.